All right, here we are, picking up where the last one left off. We're at Caminito, La Perla, La Parisia, and they are getting fired up for this game. Today it is Superclásico, Boca Juniors and River Plate. This is the soccer match of the city, guys. It is fired up down here in La Boca today. All right, and here we go. It's probably one of the most famous places in Caminito. Got Messi holding the World Cup trophy up there with some rando. Of course, everybody wants to go up there and have their picture taken with Messi. There's the best shot. I'm going to get a Messi here. We will continue. I thought this street was going to be the one with the bars hopping. There's definitely people out and about, but that other street, they are wound up. This is Temple. Fantastic brewskis here, or so I've heard. Maybe, or maybe I don't know by experience. There's a dulce de leche sign, if you don't know about that. Probably haven't been to Argentina. Got a street performer here. Fantastic bubble content. Hit that subscribe button if you love bubble content. I'm bringing it to you. Got these, Lord knows what they're made of, but paper mache looking people here. Caricatures. A little cafe bar. We are close to game time, so I think most people have cleared out, gone to the stadium, gone to the chocolate box. I've been informed that the game's not even here.
These are just the fans.
These are just the fans down here at the stadium to watch their game, their team at the bars and whatnot. All right, we're going to take a little circle here. So there ain't much force down that way. We're going to make it back down through the bars here. A lot more sea down this way in La Boca. Superclásico day. Guess that's why it's not elbow to elbow, but there are still a ton of people down here. So what do you think about La Boca, guys? Would you come here? Is this a must-see in Buenos Aires or what? There's an alfajor. gonna go jump in and get a part of this crowd. It's a happening spot where they're fired up for this match. All right, guys, that was La Boca. What do you think? Would you come here when you visit Buenos Aires? This is Superclásico Day, and we are about to go hunt us down a churripan. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share with a friend. Let me know when your trip to Buenos Aires is, and we're out.